So in this video, we'll go over one potential fix for a John Deere X Series riding mower not moving when you push the hydrostatic pedal to move in either forward or reverse. You just get a whining noise, or maybe it tries to move just a little bit, but definitely isn't working properly. So what I've done here is I pulled off the seat and the fender, which is pretty straightforward to do, and then move that gas tank over so that I could inspect the TransAxle here and that pulley that's associated with it. In order to loosen the belt, I used a crowbar to move that pulley assembly to take the tension off the belt and remove that snap ring that holds that pulley on. Otherwise, the tension's way too tight to do anything here. And in this case, as you can see, basically the splines are just gone right out of the inside of this pulley, and it's just slopping around on here, spinning on the shaft. So I was lucky in this case where the TransAxle is probably still good, and it's just a matter of the pulley being worn out. And if you look at the shaft here, the splines in the shaft are still good. So I was able to order a pulley from Amazon for about $40, and that's going to be a relatively cheap fix as compared to replacing this whole TransAxle. So if you got the same problem, I encourage you to check out this pulley and see if maybe that's your problem. And I hope this helps you out. Good luck. Thanks for watching.